Santa Amazon came. Santa's on? What does Santa's on bring?
We got us a 12-volt refrigerator.
I don't see any excitement.
So exciting. It works out perfect. It fits right in the area I need it to fit in. And we got a fridge and freezer. It's adjustable on each side. The door just happened to open on the correct way too.
That's perfect.
And once I build this up and build a wall here, it'll set in it, and I can have some storage underneath it, and I'm gonna make it set about to right in here, I guess.
Nice.
Yeah, so that's gonna work out perfect. We just gotta figure the air conditioning out. Before I build anything else, I need it to be here. Because I've already got to raise this, because the water tank is not fitting underneath that, so.
Marketplace water tank
I already
doesn't
got to
fit.
redo all this. So I got to get on my pieces so I make sure everything fits before I start building permanent stuff.
The couch looks nice though.
Yeah. I thought I'd have to take it out, but it hasn't really been in the way yet.
That's perfect.
But yeah, I've got to raise this just maybe 2.5, 3 inches to get the because they got to cap it on the top too.
The water tank.
This actually worked out perfect. I'm gonna just pipe it from that end and go around it just to make it easier, because I don't want to put too many holes in this thing. Because I'm gonna use this hole, the cap it right here, and I'm gonna put the fill right through here.
Mm-hmm.
So the fill will be right outside the window there.
Nice.
Yeah, and it's not got too far to go there, so that's once that raises up to 3 inches, that'll be perfect. Yeah, the pump and everything will go over here.
Did the mattress we have, is it gonna fit?
Well, I made this to fit it.
Perfect.
So I'm gonna build a box underneath there for the batteries. I'm gonna put the inverter on the back of here, maybe on the back of here, because that way I don't have to run that drop cord to run the heat, the little cooker thing.
Yeah. And what are the blue lines over here?
Blue lines. That's your. It's gonna be counter space right here with the sink, and then I think I'm gonna slide this slightly this way, but that's gonna be the shower, bathroom area.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to take a shower with the toilets in there too, but.
I mean, that's kind of standard for
Yeah, that's kind of
boats and RVs, right?
yeah.
Campers,
But,
whatever.
I'm gonna have to build something for this to go up on so that I can slide this out. Yeah, that slides out. That way we can dump that anywhere.
And where did the toilet and the sink, the kitchen sink, come from?
Not the other little pop-up camper. I got several of them. I've been saving to pick out the perfect one. I've got stainless steel ones that I like better, but this one just fits perfect. It's smaller. It's got a weird angle to it, but I like the it fits there.
So are we on budget then?
And I think this the refrigerator's the most expensive thing, or really the only thing I've bought so far. Everything else we just already had. The tank, what?
Well, that was marketplace
That was
fine.
marketplace. The guy was going to give it to me for $30, and all I had was 20, so I just get, hey, here's $40. But that was a couple $100 tank right there. I don't even know exactly what it would cost, but I know they're expensive. Probably at least $300-400 tank.
Yeah, I would think so.
That's gonna be nice to have 100 gallons of water with us. I'm working on the hitch on the back. I'm gonna have to take the back bumper off to actually use it, but when we're not being stealth, we want to take the motorcycle. I can pull the bumper off, and put my little motorcycle rack on there and take the motorcycle with us.
That'll be great.
But when we want to go into the cities, I can just take that off, put the bumper back on real quick.
What
It's
else
just
has
4
to
bolts.
go under the bed? Because that looks like a lot of extra storage.
Well, I'm probably going to have to modify the air conditioner. This is all going to be changed. I'm going to have to make it
For the air
The
conditioning.
framing part go around. The air conditioner sit right here and blow this way. The piping will be there. I'm going to have a little bit of area in here that I could set the washing machine down in it'd be kind of hard to lift this to get it in and out, but there is an area for it right here that wouldn't be in the way of anything else. And it's just going to go to waste if I don't use it for that. So,
okay.
If you want to get the washing machine, it will fit right here. I want to put a little wall right here so we can put our bags down behind here. And then from about here to out here, that's going to be like bike
garage
storage,
tools.
and then my tools over there.
Okay.
I'm going to build a little thing just so my tools will sit right over there.
Okay, cool.
And that's where all the water and stuff will be. The pump. Oh, that'll be over there. Yeah, I wanted to put air conditioning. I don't want to take that out though. It doesn't make no sense to take that out.
Yeah, because as we're driving down the road, you can use that.
I've gone back and forth over different ways of doing that.
I think it's...
Oh, I just noticed this.
It's not taking up too much room. You could just leave it.
I just noticed this. The plug is on the front of this.
Oh.
That's not really that big a deal, but I'll just go around back. I'll probably just put a plug back behind it in here. But I like this. This is pretty neat.
It's nice. Have a little fridge space and freezer
I'm glad
space.
The door, I didn't understand the door situation because some of them had it where it opened either way.
Mm-hmm.
But this one works
That's
perfect.
New plastic.
Actually, it
As
works
my dad
good
says.
right there, but I think I want to lift it up just so there's some storage underneath it. For like pots.
You could always put storage on top of... Well, no, you couldn't because of the lid.
Yeah.
I was just thinking that's very convenient for a beer cooler.
Oh, yeah. That's my seat.
I'm getting moved to here now.
Yeah.
For beer convenience.
Well,
it makes sense.
That way I'm going to have a, right here, have you a flip up, little flip up desk thing so you can put your computer on it.
Awesome.
If I can make that happen, I'm going to put one over there, but I'm not really sure how I'm going to make it work now that all that's going over there. But
If not, we can use some of our other trays or something, or we'll figure something out. Are you excited?
Yeah, I just wish there were air conditioner because I don't want to do anything until I get the air conditioner because I got to make sure what I want to do with it is going to work.
Well, maybe it'll come early.
Because
The refrigerator wasn't supposed to be here until next
the tank,
week.
As soon as I got the tank, that all changed everything. The only thing I got to change is my one shelf. I took all the shelving brackets off the wall in the building, so it's removing that.
Yeah.
Took those off, put them on here, and then realize these are curved, so all it's like tilted.
Maybe you need custom brackets.
I'm not even sure where all these things came from, but I have all the sharp bite stuff to do all the plumbing already too. I don't even know where it came from.
This is going to be the cheapest bus build ever.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Yeah, we're what, less than $400 in so far.
Yeah. Pays to be a hoarder.
No, we had to buy the well, still in the 40 bucks.
Yeah.
As far as the what we got, about I think I paid what, six for the bus.
6, yeah. So we're about $7,000 in probably. Between
Maybe
the
about
boards, the
65
water tank,
$6,500 altogether.
the fridge. Well, once the AC, like,
Oh yeah, what's that? Yeah, what's that?
you add up the AC
I'm
and
just
that.
yeah, what we have in here so far, but
Yeah, right now. It's
yeah.
pretty good. What's been the most aggravating part so far?
Just trying to figure it out. I mean, that's you spend more time just figuring out where it's going to go than you actually do building it. Because building all the stuff out is not going to take that long. I mean, I got to cut this one curve in here, but I saved a piece from the back, so I already have that a pattern. So that's not even that big a deal.
Mm-hmm.
So all I got to do is measure up, figure out my little point, make that piece, slide it in here. I'm going to use this that's the strongest point. There's not very much metal in back here. I got a magnet going around trying to find metal back here, but there's not very much metal or structure. This is just fiberglass and foam.
I forgot to clean this. Let me do that before you start building.
Yeah, from there all the way up here.
The rest of the other
back
side and
door
the back
too.
is done.
Yeah.
Okay.
It
I'll do
looks
that
a lot
today.
better when you clean
Okay. We'll get back to work.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna break right now.